Are you ready? Stand by.
That will crack me up.
Hit! Another one over to the left. Farther to the left. Farther to the left. One over here. Okay, just to the left of that no shoot. Right there. Okay, back towards me. Back towards me. Come, walk over here. Walk over here. Okay, see it right there. Just a little more to the left. A little more right there. You got it.
Oh, I see.
Hit! Come back here. Back here where I am. You got it there. Hit! Not to the right. Hit! Come over and show clear.
All right. Shooter ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand by. Need help listening for the target, so if you hear it, call it out. Stand by. Hit! There you go. Move left. Hit! Move up. Next target's left. Way down there. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. It's around the corner. There you go. Hit! Next one's right, around the corner. Keep going, keep going. There you go.
Hit!
That it?
That's it!
Stand by. That a hit?
No.
Hit! To the left, just a little bit more. Hit! Hit! Move on it. It's on your left, way out there. Come around the corner. There. Up higher. Back a little.
Is that it?
No. It's, see the red right there?
Wow.
There you go. Hit! To your right. There it is. Hit! Shooter, unload and show clear.
There's a berm back there.
Shooter ready.
Yeah.
Stand by. Hit! Hit! going. Keep going. Hit! Nope, keep going. Gotta go up farther. Come up this way, Brian. Up here. Up here and out. Hit! Unloaded, show clear. Stand by.
Yeah, it's gonna be tight.
Yeah.
We'll get through the next one. What? We'll get through the next one.
Hit! To the left. Right there.
Oh, it's all fog. Oh, move over.
Hit! Don't break the fault line. Go past after you get the You can go past after you get the first one. Up on the left. Move up. Down on the left. Get past the berm. There you go. Hit! Push up in 180. There you go. Shooter, unloaded, show clear.